Oh come on, not this entitled behavior again, Kevin Delaporte.
Well, me and Jorgen are not happy with Oswaldo because of what he has done to Piri's family, so it's time we discipline him and get him off the internet for good. So, shall we begin, everyone?
Newsflash, you entitled grouch. Me and Princess Anna Mouseling are shutting down your
Look, Jett Senpai, it's not what.
Shut up.
Oh my gosh, what the heck is going on here, Jett Senpai?
Well, Oswaldo just freaking assassinated Leah's friend Frankie and Sonic by killing him with his gun.
Oh hell no!
We just can't believe that Oswaldo assassinated Frankie and Sonic. We are so gonna break every single bone in his body. He is so gonna regret this.
The Panther lover, what no?
Stop it right here, you annoying person. This is Nathan Aspinall speaking to you. Are you about to use the X more like Y term?
Excuse me. I am gonna have to stop you right there. Are you falsely claiming that Leo lied about her opinion on TPL? Bruh. You know that she still hates him for what he has done. And for jump-scaring I-chan with some Friday the 13th stuff, which made her cry. And just because Leah gave you constructive criticism for bullying her friends, doesn't mean you just had to talk bullcrap all the time. Besides, you also have no proof of it whatsoever. And just for that, we'll have no other choice but to skip this part whether you like it or not.
Stop it right there, you entitled monster. Are you complaining over people using Looney Tunes clips? Like seriously. You know that it is people's choice to use those clips, and you are not the boss of them. And that just proves that you cannot handle them using those Looney Tunes clips. If you do that again, then I'll have to get Loose Nasita to deal with you. But anyways, let's scrap this dumb bullcrap and move on.
2. He is a past bringer. For example is that he brought up my past from 2022 to 2024 even though it's tomorrow of 2026.
That's because what you did from your last was extremely unforgivable.
Mas você trouxe à tona o passado do Jason ao comentar vídeo antigo dele? Que hipócrita!
Oh my fucking Lord of the Rings. How many times do I have to tell you this? I did not fucking realize that those videos that Jason made was from the past. I couldn't fucking remember things perfectly. My autistic remembrance is not fucking good.
What part don't you understand?
And what part of shut the fuck?
I ain't going to your funeral, bro.
What does that supposed to mean?
Hold it right there, you bad guy. This is Scorpion from Mortal Kombat Deception speaking to you. Are you about to skip or interrupt our attack/fatality sequences? Bro, not only it proves you jumped into conclusions, but it also proves you can't handle being attacked. We are only trying to teach you a strong lesson about the misbehavior or crimes you committed, and you ruined it. As a result, we have no choice but to skip this part.
He ran on his haters. Proves that you cannot handle hate.
Alright, first of all, it was actually my toxic hate dom, not my haters.
Bruh, it's your haters, not a haters on or hate base.
No, it is my hate dom, not my haters.
No,
that is we.
That ought to keep your mouth shut, you Trina Riffin 2.0.
He using ear rape clip. Keep in mind that Oswaldo using ear rape clip. Note, we not try to be hypocrite. Sick
idiot, like David said before, we are
skipped because you tried to cut it was of 3 stockings.
You literally do the same thing to someone's sentences, you hypocrite.
Yeah, you.
Oh woe is me. That wasn't very nice of you to say that. Now I am feeling sad right now because of you calling me a stupid fairy.
Jett Senpai, hold my MP3 music player because me and Furrball are so going to destroy Oswaldo for hurting the Princess of Fairy World's feelings.
And as for you Oswaldo, me and Jett Senpai are not coming to your funeral for what you did to Princess Anna Mouseling.
Alright everyone, let's attack this cold heartless trainer Riffin 2.0.
Uh-oh, not again.
That is what you get for hurting the Princess of Fairy World's feelings. Now shut up and leave her alone this instant, you cold heartless bully.